Are you experiencing discomfort due to earwax buildup? Discover the best earwax removal services in Rochester. Whether you're looking for a routine ear cleaning or need microsuction earwax removal, we've got you covered. Our clinic in Rochester is dedicated to providing top-notch ear care to ensure you hear clearly and comfortably. Our ear cleaning services in Rochester are highly rated, offering both traditional and microsuction methods. Microsuction is a safe and effective technique for earwax removal, using gentle suction to clear blockages without causing damage to the ear canal. It's a quick, painless procedure performed by our trained professionals. Booking an appointment with us is easy. Simply visit our website or call us directly to schedule your earwax removal session. We're located at Carson's Pharmacy, 69-71, City Way, Rochester ME12BA, United Kingdom. Our convenient location and flexible scheduling make it simple for you to get the care you need. Why choose our clinic? We pride ourselves on being the best earwax clinic in Rochester. Our experienced staff, state-of-the-art equipment, and commitment to patient satisfaction set us apart. Whether you're dealing with stubborn earwax or just need a routine cleaning, we're here to help. Microsuction earwax removal is our specialty. This method is particularly effective for those with sensitive ears or those who have had issues with traditional earwax removal techniques. It's a comfortable, quick, and thorough way to ensure your ears are free from wax buildup. We also offer comprehensive ear care services beyond earwax removal. If you're experiencing any ear-related issues, our team is equipped to diagnose and treat a variety of conditions. Your ear health is our priority, and we're here to provide the best care possible. Don't let earwax buildup affect your hearing any longer. Book your appointment today and experience the best earwax removal services in Rochester. Visit our website at https://www.earwaxremoval.net/microsuction-clinic-locations/rochester-microsuction-ear-wax-removal-kent-me1/ or call us at +44 800 133 7987 to schedule your visit. Thank you for choosing our clinic for your ear care needs. We look forward to helping you maintain clear, healthy hearing. See you soon at our Rochester location.